Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Libra for the month of December 2020. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of December. So let's see what cards have to say. All right, Librans. So this is your energy of the month. That is Five of Wands. I believe in December month you will be trying to prove a point to people, and you might also engage. Into some kind of argument or some conflict. It could be with your in your professional life with your colleagues, or it could also be in your personal life where you are trying to prove someone that you are right on certain things, but people are not basically listening to you. And it, maybe if some people are plotting against you, and it is they are being unfair to what they are doing, and you are just trying to struggle with all those things. Moving towards the first week, the cards are Tower, Five of Cups, and King of Cups, Knight of Cups reversed. So basically, you are going through a major transformation here. I think recently you have lost something important from your life, and you have gone through pain. You're still trying to, still like that feeling of pain and disappointment is still there. So emotionally you're feeling very drained out, and the kind of transformation which has taken place, like you could not stop it. It had to happen. It was like, the universe had planned this for you. But trust me, after this new things will come, and this was the end basically. So be ready for the good and the new start. Before moving towards the second or the other weeks of December, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles reversed. So I think because of all things which have happened, the conflict or the major transformation or the loss or whatever has happened emotionally has made you very cold, and you don't show your emotions to people. Sometimes you also become little rude to people, and you have power, you have the energy, you have the experience to do a lot of things. But it could be that sometimes because of your rudeness, you actually, people might misunderstand you basically. So you have to be if somebody has done bad to you, you cannot do bad to other people. So you have to be a little careful about what you say, how you say to people. And you even have to be a little careful about your money matters, because I see you making a very immature decision related to your money in the second week of December. So don't lend money or don't invest in something which is not going to give you a good result later. So try not to do something, or in basically invest your money, or even in something which is not going to pay you back. It could also be some kind of maybe immature habits, or maybe some gaming, or it could also be drugs, liquor, anything. So try not to indulge yourself into those kind of habits, and keep your money safe. You will need it. The third week says Four of Pentacles, Lovers reversed, and 10 of Pentacles. So I see some kind of ups and downs in the third week of December, because though I think you are trying to keep your money safe, you are which is a good decision, because ultimately that is going to give a security to your family. And basically this, you might also get some kind of a gift, or the monetary basically some monetary gift from your elders, maybe some from the previous generation. It could be your father or uncle, or some kind of monetary gain you might get in the third week of December here. And you will be keeping your money quite safe. You will be investing, you will be taking good decisions for your money by this week. So it is not it is not the same as the second week of December. So here I think you will be spending or saving it more maturely. But you have to be a little careful, as in your relationships with your spouse or your partners or love affairs, because you might end up having some kind of argument here. I can see that there could be some fights between you people. So try not to engage in any kind of fight. Try to handle it calmly because everything else seems good. The fourth week says Three of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Fool. Wow, fourth week is amazing. I think a new start will be there. You might, you can take help of others. This new start I see with other people. It could be a partnership. It could, or if you people are planning to get married, then also it is a good card or a good time. Something new I see for you people in the fourth week of December, a good opportunity, and you'll be taking the leap of faith. It will be a sudden decision, but trust me, it is going to be in your favor. You will be very happy, and you will. It is going to give you good advantages. So, be it marriage, be it some kind of a work, job, anything. I think it is going to be a very good time for you. A new day, a fresh day. You will be feeling very enthusiastic, happy, active, and it is definitely going to give you monetary benefits as well. So that is about it, Librans. If you still have any doubt, you can contact us. The links are given in the description box. You can also go for the personalized readings, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the daily readings. That's about it. Good luck.